Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I was asked by a YouTuber called Mickey Mouse to draw Mummy Longlegs from Poppy Playtime. Let's start with a circle for the head, almost a circle. One eye has got a circle. The second eye is a circle as well. Another circle in the eye. Another circle. And we're going to put another circle here and the eyeball there. Now we've got a couple of little eyelashes and three lots of two I'm going to put on. Little eyelashes, now a big mouth, so a big smile. We can colour that in black afterwards. Now we need some hair. So let's put a little bit of hair on and a cool spiral for the hair like that. Spiral the hair around and then that comes back like so. Then we've got a little bun or a little ribbon, in the hair. Then we've got these cool little sausage looking hair coming out, but we'll do the neck first. So the neck, nice stretchy neck into the body. Let's make the body a cool love heart. It's going to bring that. That's where one leg comes out. So we've got a love heart on the front. Now this leg this is the hand, so the hand's going to come out and around. So keep them similar sort of width all the way. I'm going to stop there because we've got the body coming through as well. So now we've got another little line that comes down into here. Then we've got a circle. That would be a circle, but I'm not drawing the whole circle, I'm just drawing the main part of the body because we've got some legs that will come out from here. So this leg comes out, wraps back around, comes right around like this. That's why I stopped that other arm there, because that actually comes. I'm going to bring that around like this. And then we're going to put the hand in here. So let's start with the hand. Looks like she's reaching out to grab something. So there's one finger, another finger, another finger. Thumb, and then another finger there. Goes back. Pretty hard to draw that hand. And then the arm goes under there. Now let's draw the boot. Draw an oval shape. And we can bring some lines out like this for the boot. Comes down. And we've got the toe of the boot out here. The sole of the boot comes down and around like this. And back up. There's the boot. What a crazy character. Okay, now we can finish off the rest of the bottom of the body there. So we've got the body where the legs come out. So there's a leg actually comes out here, comes in through here. Now this arm is actually going to be coming down. I'm going to get that slightly wider because it's coming towards us too. And then this leg's going to come around. I'm going to make that come out a bit further. And then it's going to come back into the boot, which is near these fingers. So in there, same as that, bends down and around. And this leg's further back than that one, so we're going to make it slightly smaller. And don't forget the sole of the shoe. And this little strap that comes around there. Yep, I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Now let's draw the hand. Hand's tricky. So we're going to start with a curved line like that. That's this part of the hand here. Now we're going to bring the fingers out. So hands, one finger like this. Two fingers. And this one's straight, looking straight at us. And then this one comes out. When we shade it, that'll look a lot better. Bring them around. Then you can see the palm, and then we've got the thumb. Now let's finish off her cool hair. So let's start with one squiggle like that. Let's do this one coming in behind. Then let's do this one coming in behind as well. Then this one comes in front. So it comes around and in front. It's like a maze. This one comes down and will be in front. So I'm going to finish off all that. Notice how that one comes up underneath and back in front. This one here just comes underneath both of those. Okay, it keeps coming around and pokes out here like that, and then this one comes around and then out like that.